Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn about how to download the geospatial datasets, and we are making a lot of different videos on how we can download different types of datasets from different sources. I'm trying to explore as much as possible so that you can always get benefit from like if you are getting confused how to download the geospatial datasets, then you can always go to my channel and look into it. I have already uploaded like 5 videos about it, so I will be uploading more and more. So today we are going to see how to download boundaries. So you can just go to the Google and search for like geo boundaries, and just go to this site geoboundaries.org. And once you go there, you will have the option over here like whether you want to download the individual country file, or maybe global composite or simplified boundaries. So this will not be much correct, but it is a simplified boundary. So yeah, you have to be careful like if, since it is an international boundary, so you have to be careful like which layer you have to use. So depending on which scale that you are working, you can always check which datasets that you need. So if you want to download an individual country file and different administrative level, then you can just simply go and click on this individual country file. Go here and you will have a lot of datasets over here. You can see like admin 0, admin 0, admin 1, 2, like there will be a number of layers. For example, if we take an example of let's say my country Nepal, then it will be like admin 0, then 1 and 2, denoting like it could be whole country boundary, or maybe provincial boundary or municipal boundary, right? So that is how it works. So today I'm just going to give you one example like how we can just go and search and source the file and download. So let's just take an example of Canada. So I'm residing in Canada, so I'm just looking at like how it looks. Okay, yeah. So you can also see that this is the source file from Statistic Canada, so it is official data. So you can just go here like this is admin 0, it is extracted from one answer. You have to be careful like whether the boundary is exactly right or not to people using. Okay, anyway, so this is admin 1. I think this is provincial information, provincial dataset. So let's just download this data. If you want different layers, different level of datasets, you can choose which datasets you want. So I'll just go and click over here. Once you click there, it's done. So you just have to wait for a while until the boundary is downloaded. Previously I downloaded this country boundary, but now it's taking a lot of time. Oh, I'm really sorry. I should have just go with that. I think I will just try to download this layer for now, because it's going to take a lot of time, right? So I will just pause this one. If you want the data, then you can always go and download the data. So my another data set is already downloaded, so I'll just go and check in my download folder. So yes, it is here. Let me just refresh this, and this file is coming because of my undownloaded file. So there is the data set. So I'm just going to click right here, and I want to extract this file. So extract file, oh sorry, downloads. Okay, there is a folder, so there would be no problem. I'll just extract it. So here you are, you can see a lot of datasets. So whenever you want to, if you want to just visualize these datasets, you can just simply go to any GIS environment. For example, I'm just showing you in ArcMap. And so how you can add the datasets, you can just drag and drop, or you can do whatever you want, like however you want to pull the data. So it is a simplified Shapefile. So the boundaries may not be exactly correct, but I'm not sure like it has to be official, right? So anyway, so this is the datasets, and let's check which projection system is there in this dataset. So I think it could be, it is possible that it has WGS 1984, I guess, but I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, this is geographic WGS 1984. You can just go to the source and you can see the projection system over here. You can always check in any geospatial software that you are using. So yeah, this is how you can download and use the boundary. If you want different data sets, I mean like different level of data sets, it could be like the boundary of administrative level 1, 2 or 3. I think I'm not sure which are this. This is the provincial, I know, and I think this could be like some kind of regional, or maybe I'm not sure about it. You have to check the database. And this one is, I think, including the municipal. So whatever you want, you can always download and use it. So this is it. And just I would like to show you like one example. Like if you want the datasets of United States of America, then just go there and download these datasets. If you want data from like China, then just go search China, you'll get the datasets, right? It is that easy. So just go here and click on the download button and you just get the data. So I hope this video will help you a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and keep in touch. I will be coming up with other videos, and thank you so much for watching till now. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe, and also please share this video to all Geospatial people or non-Geospatial people, whoever want this information. So thank you so much for watching again.